Earlier this year, Abu Bakr al-Sadi, a senior Hezbollah leader, thought it was a bright idea to attack a U.S. Army base with drones, killing 3 brave soldiers. The U.S. responded with a secret weapon that's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the R-IX Hellfire missile, the Ginzu missile. Anyone old enough to remember those Ginsu knives from the 80s infomercials?
The Ginsu is so sharp it can cut through a tin can and still slice a tomato like this. That's why we use the Ginsu.
Imagine 6 giant Ginsu knives mounted on a Hellfire missile, attached to an MQ-9 Reaper drone, and handed to a 20-year-old airman with an Xbox controller. Who dropped that sucker right through the roof? If you listen closely, you can hear the Hellfire missile go supersonic just before impact. How impressed are you with the deadly precision of the R-IX Ginzu missile? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you treasure your freedom, remember to thank a veteran today, and may God bless America.